Hello my dear ones, good morning and welcome back on our school YouTube platform. I Pawan Chaudhary, your maths teacher in front of you with the lecture for grade 5th. Okay, here we are in chapter number 3rd, that is operation on the large number, and we are discussing our exercise that is 3.6. We are going to start an exercise that is 3.6 on page number 47. So what you have to do, open page number 47 and read the first question carefully. First you have to mention the data given in the question. Okay. See the question number 1. What is the data given in this question? 40,558 kg potatoes, okay, and 36,897 kg brinjals, and 2,89,662 kg carrot, and 84,545 kg cabbage were collected from farmers and sold at the wholesale market. How many kilograms of vegetable were sold? Means you have to find the total. Okay, here you have to find the total. So for total, what you have to do? You know very well. You have to add all these vegetables. Okay, now see the solution of the question number 1. Number of potatoes. Number of potatoes, that is 40,558 kg. Okay, and number of brinjals equals to 2,89,662 kg. And number of cabbage equals to, that is 84,545 kg. Okay, so these are the vegetables. Total number of vegetables. So what you do? You have to add all these datas. See here, 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 5 15, 5 carry 1, 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 6 12, 12 over 4 16, 6 carry 1, 5 5 10, 10 plus 6 16, 16 plus 1 17, 7 carry 1, 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 4 14, 4 carry 1, 8 8, 8 plus 8 16, 16 plus 4 20, 20 plus 1 21 carry 2, 2 plus 2 4. What is the unit? That is kg. So 4,14,765 kg vegetable were sold in the market. So this is the answer of question number 1. Okay, now see question number 2. First we have to read the question, that is 4,56,496 copies of a book were printed. Total number of books that printed are 4,46,496. Out of these, 7,175 copies were distributed as a complimentary, means without taking any cost, and 2,44,790 copies were sold. How many copies were left with the publisher? Okay, so what you have to do? You have to add the copies that were sent as a complimentary and the copies that were sold in the market. These two data you have to add, and whatever answer you got, you have to subtract that from the number of copies that were printed. Okay, now see, number of copies sold as complimentary. Number of copies sold as complimentary. How many copies? 7175. Okay, number of copies sold in the market. Okay, in the market, how many copies were sold? 2,44,709. Okay, now total copies sold by the publisher, equals to, for total what you have to do, you have to add the number, 9 plus 5 14, 4 carry 1, 7 plus 1 8, 7 plus 1 8, 7 plus 4 11, 1 carry 1, 4 plus 1 5, or here 2. Okay, so these are the copies that were sold by the publisher. Now total number of copies printed here, that is 4,56,496. So what you have to do, you have to subtract this data from the total number of copies. Now see the question number 2, remaining part here. Wait a minute. Now see the remaining part of this question. Total copies printed equals to 4,56,496. Number of copies sold equals to 2,51,884. Number of copies left equals to, for left what you have to do, subtract. You have to subtract these two datas. Now 6 minus 4 2, 9 minus 8 1. Here 8 can't be separated from 4, so you have to borrow 110. Here it becomes 5 and here it becomes 14. So you have to subtract 8 from 14. 6, 5 minus 1 4, 5 minus 5 0, 4 minus 2 2. So these copies that were left with the publisher. Now see question number 3. See the question number 3, solution. Now what is the question? Flight charges from Delhi to Mumbai are 8,967 per ticket for the economy class. Okay, and 11,358 per ticket for the business class. If 235 economy class seats and 65 business class seats in the plane were booked, what was the total amount of money earned by the airlines in one trip? Now see here, cost of ticket for economy class equals to, cost of ticket for economy class equals to rupees 8,967. Okay, now number of seats in economy class. This is the cost of per seat. Okay, the number of seat in the economy class are 235 seats. Okay, now see, number of seats in economy class is 235. Cost of 235 tickets for economy class equals to 8967 multiplied by 235 multiplied by 235. Now see here you have to multiply. What you have to do here, you have to multiply the numbers with 235. Now 5 7 ja 35 carry 3, 6 5 ja 30 plus 3 33 carry 3, 9 5 ja 45, 46 47 and 48 carry 4, 8 5 ja 40, 40 plus 4 44. Here you put the sign of multiplication. Okay, now 3 7 ja 21 carry 2, 6 3 ja 18, 18 plus 2 20, 0 carry 2, 9 3 ja 27, 27 plus 2 29 carry 2, 8 3 ja 24, 24 plus 2 26. Put the sign of multiplication again. Now 7 2 ja 14 carry 1, 6 2 ja 12 plus 3 13 carry 1, 9 2 ja 18, 18 plus 1 19, 9 carry 1, 8 2 ja 16 plus 1 17, 5 3 plus 1 4, 8 plus 4 12, 2 carry 1, 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 4 14, 14 plus 3 17, 17 carry 1, 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 10 20, 0 carry 2, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 7 11 carry 1, 1 plus 1 2. This is the cost of 235 tickets. 21 lakh, sorry, 2 crore 10 lakh 1 tens 100,000 10,000 lakh 10 lakh 21 lakh 7,245 rupees. Okay, now see the next one, remaining part of this question. Now cost of tickets ticket for which class? That is the business class. Okay, that is the cost of ticket for the business class. Business class, that is rupees 11,358. Okay, now cost of 65 seats for business class equals to rupees 11,358 multiplied by 655. Sorry, 65 seats are there, so you have to multiply 11,358 with the 65. Now multiply here. 8 5 ja 40 carry 4, 5 5 ja 25, 25 plus 4 29, 9 carry 2, 5 3 ja 15 plus 2 17, 7 carry 1, 5 1 ja 5 plus 1 6, 5 1 ja 5. Now multiply again. 6 8 ja 48, 8 carry 4, 6 5 is 30, 30 plus 4 34, carry 3, 6 3 is 18, 18 plus 3 21, carry 2, 6 1 is 6 plus 2 8, and 6 1 is 6. Now you have to add these two datas. 9 plus 8 17, 7 carry 1, 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 4 12, 2 carry 1, 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 5 13, 3 carry 1, 6 plus 1 7. This is the cost of 65 such seeds. Okay, now write down the here rupees, that is 7,38,270. Now see here, total amount of money earned by the airlines equals to, for the total what you have to do, this is the cost of that earned by the economy class, and this amount is earned by the business class. So when you add these two data, you got the total amount earned by the airlines. Okay, now see here, total amount earned by economy class equals to 21,07,245. Now amount earned by business class equals to 7,38,270. Total amount earned by the airlines equals to, you have to add these two datas. Okay, 5 plus 0 5, 7 plus 4 11, 1 carry 1, 2 plus 2 4 plus 1 5, 8 plus 7 15, 5 carry 1, 3 plus 1 4, 7 plus 1 8, and 2. So this is the amount that is earned by the airlines in a single trip. Okay, so remaining question we will discuss in our next lecture. Okay, so you solve this question one more time for practicing. Thank you and have a nice day. Take care beta. Bye.